guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gwen Salmorin and I empower Filipinos, especially breadwinners, to live a life of freedom. And welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, so medyo naging busy, but here we are back again. And I want to share more value to you as what have happened for the last 2 quarters. So, ganun na pala katagal, no? Yung nangyari ngayon kasi June 2024 na and we're coming into July. So, for the past months, actually, quarters rather, it was all about traveling, also adjusting, getting back, no? Kasi, yun, I think yun yung pinakamahabang travel ko so far in my life. So, kaya nawalan tayo sa rotation, no? Pero now we're here again and I want to share, no, kasi napakaganda na nangyari during those weeks. So we went to a Royal Caribbean cruise with my family. And that is the first time, no, first time yun na nangyari that we were able to go to a vacation ng lahat kami. So it was a 5 days, 4 nights na vacation. And I want to share how I was able to make that dream come true. Pero, paano ba siya naging dream muna? So it all started, no, kasi my dad was working in cruise ship, no, yun talaga yung naging bread and butter ng family namin. And of course, no, nakapag-retire na siya ngayon. So I just had this idea back in 2023 na sabi ko, what if, no, yun yung maging gawin namin yun as a family. And I was eyeing actually the cruise ng 2025 kasi yun yung nabasa ko sa news na the Disney cruise will be coming in Southeast Asia. And then I mentioned it do sa mga kasama ko sa agency and then sabi na why not i-goal natin ng March 2024 we go there. So right there and then sabi talaga tara i-goal natin siya. And then na nangyari, so we booked it and March 2024 came and then yon nangyari na yung dream come true ko. Actually it is one of my bucket list because for me, no, it has a personal I would say like it is a personal goal really to give back to my parents like that, no. Sabi ko nga parang yun na yung pinaka gusto kong iparana sa parents ko, no. Kasi that is really one of the best things for me, ha. Kasi imagine my dad who was working in a cruise ship doesn't have to work pero nasa cruise ship pa din with all the glitz and glam, and my mom nandun lang siya, no, sumakit nga daw yung ulo niya kakakain. And I want to share, no, why most breadwinners fail to make their dreams come true. Kasi ito yung kailangan nating intindihin or ito yung kailangan nating maintindihan, no, na poverty or kahirapan is like a quicksand. So let's say, if financially you and your family are in poverty or in a place na ayaw nyo, meaning siguro sakto lang yung um, kinakain nyo, kumbaga 3 times a day, pero hindi kayo makapag-enjoy sa life, no? Hindi makapagbakasyon, makakain sa labas. So, that situation where you are right now, it's actually like a quicksand. Ibig sabihin, no, lahat kayo, buong family, nandun kayo. Now, why most breadwinners fail to get out of that quicksand is because sabay-sabay niyang hinihila pataas bawat isang miyembro para makaalis sa quicksand. So, ano yun? Ano yung nangyayari? So dahil ginagawa yun ng breadwinner, anong result? The result is no one gets out of the poverty quicksand, even the breadwinner. Bakit? Kasi imagine, di ba, pag lahat kayo nasa quicksand, pag gumalaw ka ng gumalaw, ano mangyayari? Lalo kayong mababaon. Pero, pag ang ginawa mo is ikaw muna, hinanap mo yung, let's say, a way for you to get out of the quicksand, and then pag nakalabas ka na, that is the only time you should also help each of your family members to get out of the quicksand too. And yun yung ginawa ko, no? Actually, for me, if you know me, yun na yung pinaka naging bonggang talagang ginawa namin, for the longest years na nag-start din ako mag-work. And for years talaga it wasn't easy because of course, you had to say no to a lot of their requests 'no, na gawin mo naman 'to, gawin mo naman ganyan, bigyan mo naman 'to, gastos naman tayo ng gan'to 'no. And, um, it was also about giving love and to myself and of course establishing my boundaries. And of course hindi siya naging madali. Pero imagine if hindi ko siya ginawa before na talagang in-establish ko muna yung sarili ko, nag-ipon ako, prioritize ko yung mga things that are important for me, I won't be able to increase my income and eventually have the money to spend and make those dreams come true, which is for us, it was the cruise. So it's the most uncomfortable thing that I had to do for years, saying no and establishing boundaries to the people that I love. Pero tingnan naman natin 'no, kung ano yung naging resulta nun, which is making those dreams come true. And whenever I know ano 'no, nagpi-picture kami, I see their faces lit up and talagang sumasakit na lang yung ulo nila tsaka yung tiyan nila sa kakakain. Naging worth it yung experience na yon. Hindi siya naging madali dahil nga it, you had to say no, eh. Hindi mo kailangang, kumbaga hindi mo napagbigyan lahat ng request nila. Kinailangan mo muna na tanggalin yung sarili mo dun sa sitwasyon, ikaw mismo tanggalin mo muna 'pag nakaalis ka na tsaka mo sila hihilahin. So, my advice to those breadwinners na who also have those big dreams for themselves, from their family 'no, there's nothing wrong getting out of the quicksand na ikaw muna 'no, kasi walang mangyayari kung sabay-sabay mo silang iaangat 'no, eventually lulubog din kayo sabay-sabay. So get out of the poverty quicksand first, and then that is when you also help out others 'no, to get out of the poverty quicksand. So, I hope guys no this video added value to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if meron pa kayong mga topics about finances and breadwinning that you would want for me to also share and discuss. Thank you. Bye.